another morning in gorgeous Bilbao. Today I've come a little bit further out of town. Just got off the Renfe train at Portugalete, and this is what we've come to see, this bridge. It's called Puente Colgante or Colgate, I think, or Vizcaya bridge. So it was just €2 something on the train from where we're staying. What it is, I don't know if you can see, there are two ways that you can cross the river. There's a transporter which looks like a coach, which is hanging from the bridge there. It is, this could be a Sioux fact, but I think I read somewhere it's the first transporter bridge in Spain. And basically it takes 90 seconds to get onto that transporter and to cross the bridge. But there's another way that you could do it, which is going right up the top here and walking along. So our plan is we're going to do both. Looks a little hairy on the walk, but we can see a few people over there. So yeah, looking forward to experiencing the bridge today and getting out of the city and having a look at the river. So I have our ticket. Slightly confusing. The lift on this side isn't working. So we have to get the carriage over, get the lift up, walk along, turn around, walk back, come down, get the lift back. So overall, for all of that, it's €19. But it'll be a fun way to spend the morning in Bilbao. Scratch that, fact check, 19 for two of us. €9.50 for one persona. Well, that was fun. All very smooth. So we've made it to the other side. Actually beautiful views for Portugalete. Now we have to find where the lift is, because we're going up there. Just the first transporter in Spain, it was the first of its kind anywhere in the world, and so impressive that it was used similar designs in 20 other bridges across the world. On the top. It's actually very enclosed, but amazing views. Quite expecting it to pass underneath me like that. So we're walking 50 metres above the water. There's just been an information thing that basically says if everyone jumps up and down every 0.8 seconds, the bridge will swing. Please don't do it. And it's like, yeah, please don't do that. It feels really well enclosed, very safe. Wouldn't hang my phone out the side of it though. But what a great experience. So if you do come down to go on the bridge, Puerto Colgante. I would say don't do it if you've got a fear of heights. You might not enjoy it. It's a little bit hairy, especially when the carriage goes underneath. But if you do, come and have a walk around. It's gorgeous here. It's like a really lovely neighbourhood. Have a walk out to the obelisk, and then over there there's a beautiful marina. Really peaceful. Thank you for joining me here in Bilbao. I hope you've enjoyed my little adventure. I'm loving the city, particularly loved here being part of the Asti Nagusia celebration. So that's been really good fun. But if you enjoy this, then check out some of my other videos from all over the world. And if you have, and you're looking for any kind of advice, then check out my website on suewherewhywhat.com. I offer all sorts of things, so if you're thinking about travelling or travelling alone, then come and book a 15-minute discovery call with me, or a 1-hour coaching session to discover your next adventure when you're travelling. Or if you really don't know where to start, then join my course, which is called Find Your Way, which is for anybody who has never travelled, has no idea where to start. I'm going to share my 30 years of travelling wisdom with you and help you to book your next amazing trip. So thank you for joining me, and check this out, the bridge is transporting.